Emotional maturity is important when it comes to maintaining healthy relationships. Maturity has little to do with your age, but how you act and think. There are a lot of people who are young and mature, and people who are mature think and act in a certain way. Want to find out whether you're emotionally mature? Here are 6 things emotionally mature people do. 1. You take responsibility for your actions. Everyone makes mistakes now and then. When you realize you've made a mistake, are you willing to admit it? Or do you look to blame it on others? As an emotionally mature person, you're always willing to take on the responsibility of your actions. You readily take accountability for the consequences your actions may have. 2. You put yourself in others' shoes. Are you able to see a situation from others' perspectives and understand how the other person is feeling? When you're emotionally mature, you're able to be empathetic towards others. To you, being able to do so not only helps others through their time of need, but also gives you the opportunity to support someone and further develop your interpersonal skills. 3. You're able to show your vulnerability and ask for help when needed. When you're in need of help, are you able to recognize it and ask for help? Accessing help or simply asking for it has been stigmatized as a sign of weakness. However, it's an indicator of strength and maturity. Developing the skill of acknowledging when you're in need of help requires practice, but it's extremely rewarding in the long run. 4. You express your gratitude even during difficult times. Being able to reflect on your own personal situations and those of others and express gratitude is a sign of maturity and humbleness. Despite the circumstances you may currently face, you're able to see the good in the bad. You know that sometimes you need to see the bad side of things in order to have more appreciation for the good side of things. Expressing gratitude is a great way to build stronger relationships and deal with adversity. 5. You're open to learning new things. Are you always curious and inclined to learn new things? As someone who is emotionally mature, you appreciate the diversity in different subject matters and show respect to different opinions while forming your own. Learning new things is extremely beneficial to living a meaningful and well-connected life with those around you. And 6, you think before you react to a situation. You often pause to think the situation through, considering all elements of the matter prior to reacting out of immediate feelings. This pause gives you the opportunity to understand the feelings and points of view from both sides. Excelling at this skill requires much practice. Although, when used efficiently, it can lead to more positive outcomes. Do you relate to any of the things mentioned in this video? Or do you know anyone who is emotionally mature or shows signs of emotional maturity? Tell us which signs or signs you found most helpful and why in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with someone who might benefit from it. Click on the subscribe button for more videos related to psychology and mental health. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.